Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying cozy. Welcome back to the channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe so you never miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting content lined up just for you. Today, I've got a cozy treat for you. Hot cinnamon apple brandy cider. This drink is perfect for those chilly evenings when you just want to snuggle up with something warm and comforting. Perfect for warming up those chilly evenings. Imagine sitting by the fireplace wrapped in a cozy blanket with a steaming mug of this delicious cider in your hands. All right, let's dive right into the ingredients. You'll need a few simple items that you probably already have in your kitchen. 4 cups of apple cider. This will be the base of our drink, providing that sweet and tangy apple flavor. 1 cup of apple brandy. This adds a delightful warmth and depth to the cider. 2 cinnamon sticks. These will infuse the cider with a beautiful spicy aroma. 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. These tiny spices pack a punch and add a wonderful depth of flavor. 1 orange sliced. The citrus will give a nice zesty twist to our drink. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This will add a lovely sweetness and depth to the cider. A pinch of nutmeg. This spice will add an extra hint of warmth and complexity to the drink. Now that you have everything, let's get started. This recipe is super simple and quick to make. First, grab a large pot and pour in your 4 cups of apple cider. This will be the base of our delicious drink. Add the 1 cup of apple brandy. This is the magic ingredient that adds a delightful warmth and a bit of a kick to the cider. This is the magic ingredient that adds a delightful warmth. It really elevates the drink to a whole new level. Next, toss in the 2 cinnamon sticks. These will infuse our cider with that beautiful spicy aroma that we all love. The smell of cinnamon is so comforting and perfect for fall. Follow that up with a teaspoon of whole cloves. Don't worry, they're small but mighty in flavor. These little spices will add a wonderful depth to our cider. Now slice up your orange into rounds and add those in too. The citrus gives a nice, zesty twist to our drink. It balances out the sweetness and adds a refreshing note. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This will add a lovely sweetness and depth to the cider. The brown sugar melts into the cider, giving it a rich caramel-like flavor. Finally, a pinch of nutmeg for that extra hint of warmth. This spice will add an extra layer of complexity to our drink. Give it all a good stir and place the pot on the stove over medium heat. Make sure everything is well combined. Let it simmer gently for about 10-15 minutes. This is where all the flavors really meld together and create something magical. The heat helps to release all the wonderful aromas and flavors from the spices and orange. Your kitchen will start to smell amazing. The combination of apple, cinnamon, and cloves is just heavenly. While it's simmering, why not take a moment to hit that like button if you're enjoying this recipe? It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can cozy up with this delicious drink too. Sharing is caring, after all. Okay, once your cider has finished simmering, it's time to serve. Use a ladle to carefully pour the hot cider into mugs. Be careful, it's hot. Make sure to include a slice of that orange and a cinnamon stick for a beautiful presentation. It makes the drink look as good as it tastes. And there you have it, hot cinnamon apple brandy cider. A perfect drink to warm you up and fill your home with the comforting sense of fall. Hot cinnamon apple brandy cider. A perfect drink to warm you up and fill your home with the comforting sense of fall. It's like a hug in a mug. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy making and drinking this cider as much as I do. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes every week. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay cozy and happy cooking. Bye for now. Take care and enjoy your cider.